Hello friends, so we are going to discuss topic 2.8.3, that is potential energy of a dipole in an external field. So let us recall first what is dipole. हमने ये chapter 1 में already किया था, but let us see. So dipole is having two charges which are equal and opposite, right? And the distance between the two dipole is to be denoted by 2a. So over here, when a dipole is placed in an external field, so its net force is zero because we are having both charges which are equal. But over here, the line of action is different, and that results in a torque, which results in a rotational motion. कंसिडर दैट अगर ये पेन है और आप इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए डाइपोल मान लो, ओके, सो देयर इज अ वन फोर्स व्हिच विल एक्ट टुवर्ड्स वन साइड, another one will act on this side, and that results in a rotation. ये rotation कहलाएगा, right? So over here एक फोर्स है वो मान लो कि लेफ्ट साइड लग रहा है, माइनस क्यू है वो राइट साइड लग रहा है, एंड दिस इज इट्स सेंटर, सो इट विल हैव अ टेंडेंसी टू रोटेट. तो उस टाइम पे आप फोर्स की बात नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस टॉर्क. ओके, सो या, so over here we are going to consider this thing in an external field. So let me show you the dipole first. पहले हम dipole draw कर लेते हैं इधर, right? So let us say this is over here minus q and plus q, right? And this is the axis of the dipole. The distance between these two charges is 2a. तो यहाँ पे मैं 2a distance दिखा के, the distance is 2a, right? Now let us consider that this line represents the x-axis, okay, and the pink lines are the external field lines. Okay, you can understand that field is stronger on the left side because the lines are always from higher to lower. So on this side the field is becoming weaker. Now consider that the angle which a dipole makes over here is, let us say, it is equals to theta. Okay, now torque के लिए we have already discussed equation in chapter 1 number 1, which was P cross E, right? It was P cross E. Today we are going to discuss about the work done and the potential energy of the dipole. So now if I want to derive the equation for the work done for this, तो हम ये कैसे करेंगे? First thing is we will assume that the dipole is already at some angle theta 0, okay, and thereafter this dipole is rotated with some another angle, and let us say that angle is theta 1. तो मान लो कि ये दूसरा एंगल है जो theta 1 है. That means we have done some work and we can find out the work done by using some formula. So if you remember, work done का basic formula है, that is F into D, force into displacement, right? But over here, as it is a rotational motion, तो यहाँ पे force है, that will be torque, okay? And जो displacement है, that will be angular displacement, और angular displacement को हम दिखाते हैं theta से. So tau dot theta, that is equals to work done. So over here I am considering a infinitesimal small displacement, right? जो angular displacement है वो बहुत ही छोटा है, and for small angles we are taking the d theta. So let us integrate it. So theta 0 was my initial angle, then after the final angle is theta 1, and I am multiplying, I want to find out the work done, so tau into d theta. So this is going to be my equation, right? Now as we know, tau is equals to p cross E होता है, so it can be written as pe sin theta, right? तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे टाउ की जगह पे PE sin थीटा, सो थीटा 1 PE sin theta d theta. As you know, P and E is constant for a given setup. That means the only thing which can be integrated is sin theta. Sin theta का integration होता है minus cos theta. So I will write it P E and then after we have minus cos theta and my limits are theta 0 and theta 1, right? तो इसको अगर और हम सिंप्लीफाई कर दें, सो इट इज PE cos minus of cos theta 1 minus cos theta 0, right? So I can put it like this, PE यहाँ पे ये हम ऑर्डर रिवर्स कर देते हैं, ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, सो cos of theta 0 minus cos theta 1, राइट? सो ये एक इक्वेशन हमारा बन गया है, राइट, व्हिच वी शुड नो, राइट? अनदर थिंग इज another thing is, as we know, u, what is u? Okay, तो यहाँ पे देखो क्या जो फोर्स लग रहा है वो कंजर्वेटिव, इसका मतलब है कि whatever the work done is, that same is my potential energy. So u is also a function of theta. Theta का function होना मतलब क्या कि if theta is going to change, then the potential energy is also going to change. So it is same as w, so I am writing it, okay? So that is P E, then after cos theta 0 minus of cos theta 1, right? Now as we know, जब भी हम पोटेंशियल एनर्जी की बात करते हैं तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी की कोई वैल्यू है वो काम की नहीं है, बट द डिफरेंस ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? मतलब u is not important, but delta u, that is the difference of potential energy, is important. So I have to decide a reference. जैसे हमने लिया था when we were discussing the charges, we were bringing the charge from infinity to some distance. तो infinity पे potential energy हमने assume की थी 0. Similarly over here we have to assume at which angle the potential energy shall be 0. तो यहाँ पे हम कोई भी arbitrary value choose कर सकते हैं, right? But over here we are taking it as theta 0 as pi by 2. Okay. So at pi by 2 potential energy shall be 0, right? That is what we have considered. So in this equation, if I will put the value of pi by 2, then u of theta can be given as PE. Okay, now I am rotating it with any arbitrary angle, so theta 1 is now replaced by theta. So PE minus cos theta, मैं minus आगे लिख रहा हूँ, and then after cos theta, right? And that is equals to, you know it, minus of vector P dot vector E, right? ये डॉट प्रोडक्ट का ही एक्सपेंशन है, वेक्टर P डॉट वेक्टर E is PE cos theta, right? तो इस तरह से आप पोटेंशियल एनर्जी जो भी है, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, उसका इक्वेशन आप डिराइव कर सकते हो. नाउ यू कैन थिंक फॉर वेरियस एंगल्स, जैसे कि एंगल, यहाँ पे जो एंगल है, इफ इट इज 0 डिग्री, देन व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी? इफ इट इज 90 डिग्री, देन व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी? 60 डिग्री है तो क्या होगा? सो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस एमसीक्यू में आपको पूछे जा सकते हैं, but only thing which is required is you should know this equation and how it has been derived. Okay, thank you.